Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Wistia account. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you add a call to action to one of your Wistia videos? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a call to action to one of your videos anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sending your viewers to a landing page or even maybe a purchase page is part of the process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Wistia dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Wistia account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and set up a call to action for one of your Wistia videos, here on the left side, you're going to click on Content Library. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see these four options at the top and you want to click on Media. Once you click on Media, you're going to see all your videos in Wistia. So you can see this one right here. And you just want to click on the video. Once you click on the video, you're going to see the thumbnail and more information about that video in Wistia. And in order to add a call to action, click on this button here, Customize. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this menu here to the left and you want to click on Call to Action. Okay guys, so here is where you can go ahead and add a call to action to the video. First, you want to go ahead and turn it on. Next, what you want to do is go ahead and list the time of the video that you want to have the call to action appear. So let's go ahead and maybe just do 1 minute in. Next, you can go ahead and choose the call to action. So you can choose text, you can choose an image, or you can choose HTML. For me, I'm going to go ahead and choose text. Here you can go ahead and add in the text. Buy this product now, link here. Okay, and here you can go ahead and add the link. So youtube.com. Okay, so down here on the timeline at the bottom, you can see the video is going to play. And then at the 1 minute mark, it's going to show this call to action. And as you can see, the viewer can go ahead and choose to skip this call to action by clicking down here. So once you're done setting up your call to action, go ahead and click on this blue save button here on the top right. Okay, so now anybody who views this particular video in my Wistia is going to see this call to action at the 1 minute mark. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to add a call to action to your Wistia video, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.